In this experiment, we will study a 3-pin plug and a mains socket. First, open the cover of a 3-pin plug with a screwdriver. The pins are connected to 3 wires. They are the live wire, neutral wire, and earth wire. The pins connected to these wires are called live pin, neutral pin, and earth pin. Replace the cover of the 3-pin plug. Now, observe the mains socket carefully. There are 3 holes in the socket. They are the live socket, neutral socket, and earth socket. Insert the 3-pin plug into the mains socket. Notice how the live pin, neutral pin, and earth pin fit into the live socket, neutral socket, and earth socket, respectively.